Told you guys to watch out for healthy snacks recipe coming your way on this channel. See, but that weight, but we must lose it. Here are my plant-based sausages. You can check your local store, you will find them. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm just going to heat up my plant-based sausage yeast for like 2 minutes, or let me say 1 minute on each side until it hardens up a bit. I just want to make sure it cooks properly, and maybe it's not so comfortable with just using your sausages directly into your pie or filling, whichever form. I just feel that it doesn't really cook well. So you can boil yours or fry yours, but I choose to fry mine. You can use any healthy oil of your choice, like olive oil. I just added in my spices. You know, now we in Nigeria, we must add pepper. Added more pepper and a little bit of seasoning and a favorite spice of my choice, after which I did mash my sausages. If they're a bit too hard, you can blend them to get this texture. So that is it. Our filling is ready. It is plant-based. So if you're vegan and you're thinking of healthy snacks, consider this. I'm using wholemeal flour, but I know that some persons may be gluten intolerant. If you are, you can use almond flour or oats flour and you'll be fine. I added 1 cup of Greek yogurt and 1 egg. You can use unsweetened Greek yogurt preferably. I'm going to add in ½ tablespoon of baking powder, and then go on out to add more water or more milk to get your dough together. You can add in more milk, like plant-based milk, like almond milk or oat milk, but I use water for my just to get your dough together. After which we are going to go on now to the main process. I love this recipe because it is healthy, it is easy to make, and it was delicious. It is filled with fiber, guys. Yes, we need those fibers to keep our guts healthy. Don't you think so? Yes, so I'm going to divide mine into 2 equal parts and go on now to roll and cut. Now, the way you shape in your sausages is totally up to you. I decided to do mine a little bit differently this time, so I want you to watch closely, but you can just roll yours multiple times like the regular Nigerian sausages, but mine was a bit different. After rolling mine till thin, make sure it's not so thin because of the consistency of your flour. It is very easy for your flour to have holes, so you shouldn't be too thin so that your flour won't break into 2 or pop open while rolling, or making it difficult for you to manage. And mind you, I use wholemeal flour to dust my flour. I am not using the regular flour. This is strictly healthy snacks. Yes, I'm adding in my filling, yes, into the middle of my dough after trimming it and cutting it to be in a rectangular form. Then I'm going to fold it into 2. Yes, like as if you are making meat pie, but this is a rectangular pie now. Now I'm going to go now to close the edges properly. The dough is soft and easy to manage. It's going to stick a lot, so make sure you dust with sufficient plant-based flour or oats flour or wholemeal flour, depending on the kind of flour you are using for your own recipe. I'm going to just trim the edges to get out any ugly parts out of my sausages. I'm going to cut to the size I want. I did my mini. Mine was mini because of my kids. Yours can be longer than this. Just do you. I'm going to go on now to trim, and this is what we get at the end of the day. I love the sausages. They are easy to make. They are handy for kids and they look delicious, guys. I'm going to brush with egg wash or just your egg yolk and bake at 180 degrees Celsius or 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes, or until your sausages turn slightly golden brown. Come on, are you going to try this recipe? Just subscribe to Debbie's Kitchen for more healthy snacks from here. Bye bye. Good to have you here. See you next time.